What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing Anbernic video. This is a brand new Anbernic which actually is playing PlayStation 2, something which captured me through a different perspective, and I was like, dang, let's talk about this kind of device before I put my hands on it. So enough of me talking, by the way, let's get started. Some of you guys remember we reviewed the Anbernic 35XXH, which is a really nice handheld from Anbernic, which has packed with bunch of gaming, and it's really good because it has bunch of performance wise. It's quite not bad. It plays bunch of games, which is really impressive, and we reviewed it here on the channel. But today we are checking out the 406V, which it seems to be really great. This year Anbernic decided to release bunch of gaming. They were like, damn, are you guys telling us to not release? Meanwhile, we're releasing it. And you guys say, damn, we would like this kind of handheld, and they actually did it, which is really crazy because by this year I think Anbernic released for almost 10 handhelds, which is really insane. But overall it's a great thing, but another downside, they use almost the same chipset. So anyways, let us just check out this 406V, what is mostly packed throughout this new Anbernic, which is capable of playing PlayStation 2 games. RG406V comes in 3 stunning colors: the off-white, the black, and transparency, and even the gray. On the display side, it has 960x720 IPS touchscreen display, which offers crisp visuals, and it's really impressive. Another kind of stuff, the RG406V, it's wide range of game format support. The device handles Android games and other 20 kinds of simulators. On top of that, it has a 5G Wi-Fi, which is really great, both for the Moonlight streaming and Wi-Fi multiplayer functionality, which is quite insane. It has a USB Type-C with a display port output, which it can output up to 1080p, which is really great. Its premium design, extensive format support with high resolution screen, and powerful connectivity features, the RG406V is shaping up to be a game changer for the handheld gaming. It plays bunch of PlayStation 2 games, and I think that's the most kind of interesting thing about a lot of gamers. They would like just to play PlayStation 2 games on the go instead of you modding your games or customizing the PS2 and you chop it and you make it like on the go. Right now Anbernic offers you a gaming handheld which you can play PlayStation 2 gaming titles, which is going to be really interesting. On top of that, it runs Android, which is great because you can jump in throughout yourself and install bunch of emulators, which is going to be really great. The 406V, it seems to be really interesting, but let's jump in on the naming side. To be honest, Anbernic has the worst naming I can say, because the naming sounds like XXV, XXH, XXX something. It feels like an, build number or something. But to be honest, Anbernic, if they could just switch through the naming side and come up with something much better, so it's gonna be easy to catch up. Because if you want to purchase this device, you have to go online and do a lot of research, so you can just purchase it. But if they modify the naming, I think it might be much better for users to understand what they're actually buying throughout knowing a certain device. No matter naming the device like this one new Anbernic Cheetah, or Anbernic Tiger, or Anbernic something. I understand this is just my coming up names. Don't laugh at me, but at least something which can be much catchy. I understand they can, the marketing team, it can just do something like that. So this is just the 406V. Let me know in the comments down below what captured you mostly. What are you waiting for throughout this kind of brand new handheld from Anbernic? Because Anbernic has been releasing these devices like crazy. They're crushing it. So to be honest, the 35XXH has been my great and amazing kind of handheld on the go throughout the Anbernic. I tested even the Power Kitty. The Power Kitty, it's just not good. To be honest, if those guys are making those kind of handhelds, they have just to pull up their game, because Anbernic is crushing it. And to be honest, I kind of like it, and I'm recommending, if you're jumping on a handheld or a device of a game which you can just play on the go, just get an Anbernic handheld. It's much better. The pricing wise depend on which which you really need and which can offer you much more gaming experience. And to be honest, the 35XXH come through it in handy, and I really like it. If you like the skin like this one, I leave a link down below in the description. I'm not paid by AliExpress, but I got it on AliExpress, and it's really amazing if you just want to keep your 35XXH skin and even the analog like a Super Mario, and it's just really looking great. As you can see, guys, looks really amazing, looks great. Forget about the fingerprint on the screen, yeah. But overall, it's just dope. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Anbernic 406V. You're new here, consider subscribing, because a lot of you guys, you're not subbed to the channel. Make sure you support your homeboy here to hit 6k subs. We are almost dropping to 6k subs, which is going to be really amazing. And thank you all for your support. It's just something which we have been doing here for a while, man, for a while, and it's really amazing, and I'm not giving up on it, because this is just part of something which I really love. I'm passionate about it, and I think I'm going to talk about it on the upcoming videos. But overall, you're new here, thank you for watching, and I hope you got a little bit of a clue or something you're finding, so as you can understand it widely. And if you have anything, let me know in the comment section. We can brief it out, me and you guys, you know what I mean, and it's gonna be really amazing. Catch you guys on the next one, and peace.